Hello, yes, we are back, and in this video I want to show you how you can install the headlights on your newly purchased HBX 16889A Pro. This is the 2024 version. Start by putting the white connector through the opening in the frame, and the connector actually goes into the red box, which is the receiver. I disconnected the black connector before to have a bit more room to install this, so now I'm putting it back. Next you want to run these LEDs through the little opening just above the bumpers. And the LEDs themselves fit snugly into the bumper. It's a bit tricky to get them in there, but once they're in there, I'm pretty sure they won't come out easily. Now it's time to test them out before you attach them semi-permanently, so this is a good time to turn on the controller and the receiver and check if the lights are actually working. Now is a good time to put the sticky tape on it and attach the wires to the frame itself. And now it's time to better attach the cables to the car using the tie wraps. And now these cables are firmly attached to the car and they won't move once you'll drive the car later. Now cut off both of the lengths of the cable ties and you're all good to go. Thanks for watching the video, please like and subscribe and I'll make some more!